here has watched Deadpool and Wolverine? Let's break down this movie the way we love, in a mind map. Let's start with Deadpool and his jokes. The film is packed with them. About superheroes, Twitter, and even the budget for his costume. Deadpool, as always, breaks the fourth wall and looks fabulous in his new outfit. He never takes things too seriously and delivers humor with a touch of sarcasm. You can make tasks invisible and duplicate branches. Wolverine adds his own unique charm to the film. His brutality with a smile and dark humor make the film special. Finally, after 17 years, he appears in his iconic yellow costume. When Wolverine gets angry, he tears his enemies apart both physically and with his sharp wit. Assign responsibilities, like who should write detailed information in the notes, and set deadlines. The film is full of unexpected moments. Post-credit scenes and secret cameos keep viewers on the edge of their seats. Characters you thought you'd never see again suddenly appear, along with hidden jokes that only the keenest fans will catch. You can change the color of tasks and add emojis. The film's details are also delightful. Click the eye icon to focus on a single branch. Recently, Xbox controllers featuring the buttocks of Deadpool and Wolverine were created and gifted to Ryan Reynolds and Hugh Jackman. Taylor Swift would be perfect as Deadpool, adding an unexpected twist. There's even a popcorn bucket shaped like Baby Deadpool, a fun collectible for fans. Hugh Jackman recreated a famous meme with a photo frame, adding even more charm to the movie. An old music video got a playful new twist, fitting perfectly with the film's humorous tone. Add detailed information to the notes, set the task status, and comment on how much more time you need to finish the details. When everything's ready, send it by email. Subscribe and save this template to catch more reviews like this.